Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best ultra-wide monitors. Think of an ultra-wide monitor like having a second, third, and fourth screen, without the cable mess. More space, less hassle, way more fun. Let's dive into the top picks. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth ultra-wide monitor on our list is the Acer Predator Z35P bmiphz, priced at $984.74, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This one's a proven performer that stood the test of time. We're looking at a 35-inch VA panel with that familiar 3440 by 1440 UWQ HD resolution and a dramatic 1800 R curve that really wraps around your vision. What makes this special is the native 100 Hz refresh rate that can be overclocked, paired with actual hardware G-Sync, not the compatible stuff, but the real deal, with NVIDIA's dedicated module that eliminates tearing completely. The VA panel delivers excellent contrast at 2500 to 1, making dark scenes look rich and immersive. Plus, you get 300 nits brightness, which is solid for most gaming setups. The 4-millisecond response time handles gaming well, and the build quality feels robust with Predator's signature aggressive gaming aesthetic. You get both DisplayPort and HDMI connectivity, plus built-in speakers that are actually decent for casual gaming sessions. What's great about this monitor is that hardware G-Sync module. It's becoming rare to find these days, since most manufacturers moved to G-Sync compatible. The deep VA blacks make horror games and cinematic experiences incredibly immersive, and that 1800 R curve creates excellent peripheral vision for racing and flight sim. Sure, it's not the latest tech, but it's a solid, reliable ultra-wide that delivers smooth gaming with proven G-Sync performance. Our team recommends this for those who specifically need hardware G-Sync and love that immersive curve. The fourth ultra-wide monitor on our list is the MSI MAG401QR, priced at $389.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This 40-inch beast rocks an IPS panel which gives you consistent colors from any angle, way better than those cheaper VA panels that shift colors when you move around. We're talking 3440 by 1440 resolution here. That's UWQ HD, or what some call 2K ultra-wide, giving you that cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio that makes everything from gaming to productivity feel more immersive. The 155 Hz refresh rate, paired with 1 millisecond response time, is solid for competitive gaming, and the FreeSync Premium keeps everything smooth without tearing. Color accuracy is decent for content creation work. The IPS panel produces no image distortion and minimum color shifts, though it's not quite professional grade if you're doing serious photo editing. Build quality feels sturdy with MSI's usual gaming aesthetic, and connectivity is where this monitor shines. You get HDMI, DisplayPort, and crucially, a USB-C port with 65-watt power delivery, which is perfect for laptop users. Now here's the reality check. HDMI ports max out at 120 Hz, so console gamers won't get the full refresh rate experience. For the price point, though, it delivers solid performance across gaming and productivity tasks. Our team recommends this for those who want that ultra-wide immersion without breaking the bank. The third ultra-wide monitor on our list is the ViewSonic VX3418-2KPC, priced at $561.34, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. This 34-inch monitor uses an MVA paint, basically ViewSonic's take on VA technology, which means you get deeper blacks and better contrast than IPS, hitting around 3000 to 1 contrast ratio, but viewing angles aren't as wide. The 1500 R curve is pretty aggressive and really wraps around your field of vision, which some love for gaming immersion, but others find distracting for productivity work. Same 3440 by 1440 WQ HD resolution as before, but this time at 144 Hz. with AMD FreeSync Premium for smooth gaming. Color accuracy is decent for a VA panel. You won't get the color consistency of IPS, but blacks look deep and convincing, unlike IPS or TN panels, which makes it excellent for dark content and movies. Build quality feels solid for the price point, and you get dual HDMI plus DisplayPort connectivity, though no USB-C here. The integrated speakers are basic, so you'll probably want to use headphones or external speakers for better audio. Just a heads up, while the expansive screen size allows users to comfortably work with multiple open pages, the curve can make text look slightly distorted at the edges. Our team recommends this for gamers who prioritize contrast and that wraparound immersion. The second ultrawide monitor on our list is the LG 34 GN85BB, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. LG's using their nano IPS technology here, which is essentially IPS with an added quantum dot layer that boosts color reproduction significantly. We're looking at 98% DCI-P3 coverage, which puts this in near professional territory for color work. The 34-inch curved design sports that familiar 3440 by 1440 WQHD resolution, but bumps refresh rate up to 160 Hz when overclocked, with both FreeSync Premium and G-Sync compatibility covering all your bases. What sets this apart is the 1 millisecond GTG response time, that's TN panel territory but with IPS color quality. The monitor includes black stabilizer for better visibility in dark scenes, dynamic action sync for reduced input lag, and even a built-in crosshair overlay for competitive gaming. You also get reader mode for comfortable document work, smart energy saving, and LG's on-screen control software for easy monitor management. The HDR 400 certification isn't groundbreaking, but adds some pop to compatible content. Build quality is solid LG engineering with that premium Ultra Gear aesthetic, and connectivity covers the essentials with dual HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 3.0 hub functionality for peripherals. However, that 160 Hz refresh rate only works with DisplayPort and overclocking, and console compatibility drops to 60 Hz when FreeSync is active. Our team recommends this for gamers and content creators who want excellent color accuracy with competitive gaming performance. The best ultrawide monitor on our list is the GIGABYTE AORUS CO49DQ, priced at $939.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is the monitor equivalent of buying a sports car. We're talking 49 inches of pure QD OLED goodness at 5120 by 1440 resolution, which is basically like having two 27-inch monitors glued together seamlessly. The gentle 1800R curve, an ultrawide 32:9 aspect ratio with a second-generation Samsung QD OLED panel creates an experience that'll make you question whether you're gaming or living in the future. That 0.03 millisecond response time isn't a typo. OLED pixels literally turn on and off instantly, making this faster than any LCD you've ever used. Here's what makes OLED special for regular folks. Perfect blacks that look like the screen is actually turned off in dark areas, and a contrast ratio of 1.5 million to 1 that makes HDR content look incredible. Think of it as equivalent to two 16:9 27-inch QHD displays side by side, perfect for multitasking or that ultra-immersive gaming experience. The built-in KVM lets you control two PCs with one keyboard and mouse, and USB-C connectivity makes it laptop-friendly. For gamers, it features black equalizer for better dark scene visibility, and even aim stabilizer sync for competitive gaming. And that 1000 nits peak brightness means HDR content really pops. But then again, OLED burn-in is a real risk if you leave static images up too long, though GIGABYTE's OLED Care does help prevent it. Our team recommends this for those who want the absolute best visual experience money can buy. And there you have it, folks, the best ultra-wide monitors. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.